guys, today I'm going to share about one question on inverse trigonometry function graph. So actually this question is created by me myself, not for challenging you guys, but for a better understanding on this topic. So this question may look a little bit complicated, but it's really a simple question, trust me. So, to solve this question, we need to know the domain and range of each inverse trigonometry function's graph, as well as the identity of inverse trigonometry function. So, first step, we need to state the range of our cos function. So the range will be from 0 to pi. Secondly, we need to know the angle whose cos is 3/2 lies on which quadrant of the unit circle. So we draw a circle, and we need to know the angle lies on which quadrant. So in this case, the 3/2 is a positive value. So we know that the angle will lie on the first quadrant here. So we let this arc cos 3/2 to equals to theta. So now we're going to find that is the arc cos 3/2 equals to theta, then cos theta equals to 3/2. So now we can draw a triangle, which the angle is 30, 60, and 90, and indicate this as theta. So you know that cos theta is equals to 3/2, so you can indicate the adjacent as 3 and the hypotenuse as 2. So the opposite will be 1 by using a Pythagoras theorem. So now we rewrite the equation again, and now we change the arc cos 3/2 as theta. So now we are able to solve partially of this question. So tangent theta is equals to 1/33. So now, up to this stage, we need to redo the same thing as the steps we used just now. So let's rewrite again. Now we change the range to be the arctangent range, which is between pi over negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And we need to know the angle whose tangent is 1/3 lies on which quadrant. So the range is from negative 90 to 90. So the angle will either lies on the first quadrant or the fourth quadrant. So in this case, 1/3 is a positive value. So it will lies on the first quadrant. So we indicate another theta as the arctangent 1/3. So once again, we let arctangent 1/3 equals to theta, which is tangent theta equals to 1/3. So now we're going to draw another triangle, indicate the theta, and now we found that sine theta is equal to 1/2. So that's the way how we solve this question. For this question, we can actually apply a shortcut which cancel out these old steps to a simple step, which is from these steps we skip to. If you realize this is actually one of the identity of inverse trigonometry function graph. So this is tangent inverse tangent identity. So we need to know the angle first before we apply the identity. So from this graph, we know that the angle will be 30 by using the 30, 90, and 60 triangle. So if this is 30 degree, so we know that the domain of tangent function is between -π/2 to π/2. So the 30 is actually in the domain. So in this case, we can actually apply the tangent inverse tangent identity. So straight away, arctangent tangent theta is equals to theta. So in this case, we write this as sine theta. So sine theta, again, we refer to the graph, the right angle triangle graph. Right angle triangle. So sine theta is 1/2. So 1/2. This is the answer. So this is a shortcut which we can apply if you know the identity of inverse trigonometry function. So actually we can solve this question within 1 minute. So that's all for solving this question. Let's check the answer by using a calculator. So thank you.
Over 2 is equals to this value. Then arc cos answer. After that tangent answer. And then arctangent answer. Then sine answer. We got the exactly same value.